highlight some snow removal success stories. One town that seems to be well on its way to getting it done is Johnston, which is actually picking up trash again.
Yeah, and that's where the mayor told us on Monday that he was calling some extra help in tonight. Here's Martha Constantinides.
According to the Johnston mayor, all roads were passable within 24 hours. And while many are still struggling with snow cleanup, Johnston is on to trash pickup just 2 days out of the biggest blizzard to hit Rhode Island.
Every road in Johnston is passable, but we're not done yet.
Mayor Joseph Polisena Jr. credited the town's preparation and response. The mayor says he had to work quickly on a plan to rent more heavy equipment when it was clear plows on pickup trucks were not going to be able to move 3 feet of snow.
Just put 2 and 2 together and said, I need to get on securing these loaders now because those are the only things that are making an impact. And it really helped with the DPW crews working overnight.
Polisena says he secured 6 more front-end loaders from a contractor in town. The extra equipment and long hours helped Johnston make good progress, and residents have noticed.
I actually just moved here from Pawtucket, and so my sister's still in Pawtucket, and I know they're having a heck of a time.
And with most roads and streets in good shape, Johnston resumed trash pickup today.
They're doing a good job. I didn't expect them actually to come today. I didn't even put mine out, you know what I mean? Because where are you going to put it? You got to get rid of the garbage. The garbage, you don't want rats.
For now, town employees will continue to push back snow so trash trucks and everyone else can get around.
Later on in the day, I'm going to deploy the plows to the district that they're going to work on tomorrow, so we make sure that they're even in better shape to get it tomorrow.
Town officials say cleanup will continue in the coming days, especially as crews work to widen roadways. But for now, residents in Johnston say the town's response helped them get back on track fast. In Johnston, Martha Constantinides, NBC 10 News.